Happy Sunday, guys. What's going on? I'm Dom here with the DR channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than I usually do. It is just going to be a top 5 part 1 of cars that I would avoid as a beginner into the car scene. So let's get to it. Number 5 on my list, and it's unfortunate, is the Audi S4 B5. That was produced from 1996 to 2001. I thought it was gonna be cool. You have a 4-door sedan and a wagon version, all-wheel drive, turbocharged with that Quattro technology. It had a 2.7 liter V6 that was also twin turbocharged, which is sick. It was pushing about 247 horsepower and 250 pounds of torque, which I mean was kind of quick for the time, and the US version was slower than the European. So you can imagine it had more power. Unfortunately, with this V6 twin turbocharged motor, it had its problems. Ignition coils, premature turbo failures on the stock turbos. It also had problems with the Quattro system, torque converters, CV boots, you name it, guys. I just would not recommend, as a beginner, you purchase this car. If you're passionate about the Audi S4 and you have the money, then sure, do it. By all means. I just don't recommend it for a beginner. There's plenty of other Audis out there that are reliable and a lot faster for the money. Okay, number 4, we're gonna go with the Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0 Turbo. I know there's a V6, but I'm gonna stick with the 2.0 T, guys. I was definitely let down. I really thought this vehicle had all the recipes for success to beat the 240 SX. You had rear-wheel drive, a 2-door coupe, and a 2.0 liter turbocharged motor. Unfortunately, that motor was not super reliable. It also wasn't that great as an automatic. It sucked, guys. I know, don't roast me. I'm just telling you, this is a vehicle that I thought was gonna be cool, and I just would not get it as a beginner. Guys, it has quality control issues with the interior. They're known to rattle. You have problems with that engine, like I said, timing chain issues. It's just not the car for you guys as a beginner. It was heavier than its competitor, which was the Miata GT86. Just look for other ones, guys. Move forward. Number 3, it's coming back on my list because unfortunately it is not a good vehicle as a beginner in the car community. That's the RX-8. Again, had all the recipes for success. A 4-door coupe, controversial interior, awesome exterior. I personally like this car. I thought it was gonna be awesome with that 13B 1.3 liter rotary engine. With the 6-speed manual, it had 232 horsepower at a screaming 9,000 RPM, but it just sucks. It's unfortunate that motor was cause of its death. With oil starvation issues, apex seal problems, the list goes on, guys. Unfortunately, if you want to watch more about the Mazda RX-8, you can watch my video here on my channel. And please, guys, like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned as we're gonna make part 2 of this video.